Great. Hello, this is teacher Jacob, and today we're gonna have class for eighth grade. So here is the grade. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, here it is, eighth grade. So this is the class for today. So here you have to write here. What's going on? I did something. It is not necessary. Okay, so today we have eighth grade. And don't forget to write also here. Don't forget necessary to write the date. Today is June 23rd, so you need to write the date. Then the class. The class for today is about listening class. So be careful because listening class it's is one of the best exercises, but you need to pay attention, especially for this group. I think all of you, majority, I can say 90% of the students in this group are excellent in listening skill. Because if you listen English, you're gonna learn quickly how to speak, and you're gonna have one of the best of great pronunciation. Okay. So if you want to understand English, what you need to do is listening English, listening in your house, listening wherever you are, listening. It's um, it's it's mandatory if you want to learn how to speak. Listening, it's some exercise that we need to do every day. In your case, that's what I notice about this group. In your case, my suggestion is that you can listen around 8 to 9 hours per week. So from Monday to Friday, you can listen on Monday to Thursday. Okay, just 2 hours every day. Listening is watching TV, listen to the radio, learn music. Remember the song you have to learn? Don't forget. I think so for you, it's waking me up, something like that. I'm not sure about that, the song that you must have to learn. Anyway, let's go to the class, okay? Pay attention. It's not complicated, but you need to pay attention, okay? Listening skill. Let's go. Come on, let's do it. Let's go. And let's go for the class. So let's see the unit, or this is not the unit for you. It was for the next group. Okay, this is the listening class. Remember also that you have to complete the reading comprehension on page 78. It was about the fashion. It was about, how people are, even at the moment. At the moment, some teenagers, they have a special fashion. Sometimes it's good for some people, sometimes it's bad for some people. Even for schools, you sometimes have to follow some kind of rules, some kind of fashion for the students. And then you have to answer reading class exercise 1, 2, 3, and that's all. This specific this class, vocabulary class, we're gonna have a special class for the next month, I think so. And then we're gonna create words, and then we work a lot. We're gonna study very hard because I believe to have vocabulary is something that we need. I mean, it's like listening. If you don't listen, you don't speak. You don't have vocabulary, you don't learn another language. That's basically, and that's the main point. So we are not gonna do. So we're gonna study and we're gonna work on this and this listening part. So we're gonna do exercise 1, and then we're gonna do exercise 2. All right. So listen carefully to this and listen to the students and underline in the correct option to complete the sentences. All right, the students are at a party, fashion show, a street market. So you need to choose one of them, okay? And this, and then you write this, and you say is this or something like that, okay? So listen and choose one of these. One, two, two. B. James' dad was a hippie punk rocker. So you need to pay attention, this man, okay? Sam's outfit is cheaper than Megan's outfit, James' outfit, both, and Megan's outfit. So that's listening. Megan has a problem with her hair, her shoes, her jacket. Now let's do it. This is a reading, a listening comprehension. So when you are doing this listening comprehension, something very nice that you need to do as first. I mean, at the beginning of listening, what is important is that you read the questionnaire that you're gonna do. So that's why I'm reading to you. So when you read the questionnaire, you got an idea what is the listening talks about, and also you can have in mind what you have to answer to. All right. So this is something very nice when you are doing a special exam about listening skill. Listening skill is complicated if you don't concentrate, if you don't pay attention, and if you don't know whether you what you have to do. So here is just a multiple choice. Choose one, two, or three. There are three options. You have to choose one option. And the main idea about the listening skill is about fashion, is about people, it's about generation, and so on. So let me see and pay attention to that. So I'm gonna read for you three times, and you are going to complete. Okay. So listen. The first I'm gonna read for you very slow, and perhaps you can understand this better, okay? And second is gonna be faster than the first, and so on. So let me see, very slow, and perhaps you can understand. So this is a conversation between James, Megan, all right, and Sam. There are three characters in this listening, all right? So let's start right now. One, two, three. Hi, Megan. I'm glad you could make it to the party. Do you like my look? Megan, yes, it's cool, James. That's a nice leather jacket. Is it yours? James, no, it's my dad's. He was a rocker in the 1970s. What do you think, Sam? Sam, it's it's nicer than Megan's outfit and is more fashionable than mine, Megan. But don't you think bright colors are more attractive? Sign, Sam. Bright colors are more attractive, but your hair is bright red, Megan. I'm a punk. Everything is more colorful for punks. Sam, so what about my outfit? My style is called caveman. Jane, it's cool, definitely the most original. And the bag is really cool, definitely, and it's really definitely. And the bag is, well, I'm not thinner than you, so it is baggy, and it's cheaper than yours, James. Megan, it's a great idea, but I think James' look is the best. James, I bet my shoes are more comfortable than yours. Megan, yeah, I'm agree. My shoes are worse. They're killing me. So this is a listening one. Okay, this is very simple. And let's go for listening two. Maybe you concentrate. So let's go one more time. Okay, let's do it one more time. Now I'm gonna read very quickly, and you're gonna listen, and then you're going to choose one of the three options that you got. Ready? So one, two, three. This is a conversation between James, Megan, and Sam. Okay, James. Hi, Megan. I'm glad you could make it to the party. Do you like my look? Megan, yes, it's cool. James, that's a nice leather jacket. Is yours? James, no, it's not. It's my dad's. He was a rocker in the 1970s. What do you think? What do you think, Sam? Sam, it's nicer than Megan's outfit, and it's more fashionable than mine. Megan, but don't you think bright colors are more attractive? Sam, bright colors are more attractive, but your hair is bright red. Megan, I'm punk. Everything is more colorful for punks. So, Sam, so what about my outfit? My style is called caveman. James, it really cool, definitely most original. And the bag is, well, I'm not thinner than you, so it's baggy and it's cheaper than yours, James. Megan, it's a great idea, but I think James' look is the best. James, I bet my shoes are more comfortable than yours. Megan, yeah, yeah, and I agree. My shoes are the worst. They're killing me. All right. So let's see how are you for the last time. So this is the third time. So you need to pay attention and then you complete. Choose the best option. Multiple choice. Students are at party, fashion show, a street market. Let's go. Let me see. Number one. So this is the last time. Uh, this is a conversation between James, Megan, and Son. James, hi Megan. I'm glad you could make it to the party. Do you like my look? Megan, yes, it's cool. James, that's a nice leather jacket. Is yours, James? No, it's not mine. It's my dad's. He was a rocker in the 1970s. And what do you think? What do you think, Sam? Sam is nicer than Megan's outfit and is more fashionable than mine. Megan, but don't you think bright colors are more attractive? Sam, bright colors are more attractive, but your hair is bright red. Megan and punk, everything more colorful for punks. So what about my outfit? My style is called caveman. James, it's really cool. Definitely the most original, and the back is son. Well, I'm not thinner than you, so it is baggy, and it's cheaper than yours, James. Megan, it's a great idea, but I think James' look is the best. James, I bet my shoes are more comfortable than yours. Megan, yeah, I agree. My shoes are the worst. They are killing me. So that's the end of the listening. So you need to complete, according to the listening, you need to complete here. Where is it? Yeah. So where are the students are at a party, at the fashion show, or they are at the street market? Definitely they are not in the party. They never say something about a party, something about they're fashionable and something like that, but not in the party. So no party. Fashion show, not really. So definitely number three, they are perhaps they are in a fashion trip. We don't know exactly. So you need to know. You have to tell me where they are exactly. Okay. So according to this.